Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to add the JavaScript port for digital clock with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First I have added something new to the index.html. I have added clock main to the index.html, a div, it's a div, and I cut the background image from body and added to the clock main. For adding a script to our clock, we need to add a script.js file to our files and linked it to the index.html. Script src script.js. Okay, Control S. We need a function to make a real-time clock. Function current time, not timer. We need to declare a let to have the current time of our PC by the name of date and new date. At first we need to call the current time to have an output from our to have an output from our function. We need to have a console.log in here, date. Control S, go to the Chrome, you need to inspect and this. Okay, now everything is working and we are going to declare a let for our hour and get the hour from date by date dot get hours actually, and later minutes is equal to date dot get minutes. And let seconds equal to date dot get seconds. Okay, to show our minute and second to our clock, we need to get the ID, declared ID of our response, and change the inner text to the hour, minute and second, like this. Document dot get element by ID of hour dot inner text to hour, and we need to declare document.get element by ID of minutes dot inner text to minutes. Then document.get element by ID of second dot inner text or inner HTML inner text equal to seconds. We don't need this S because the ID of minute is minute. Control S, To make a real-time clock, we need to add a set timeout, like this, set timeout of 1000 milliseconds, and add our current time function in here. It will run our function every 1000 milliseconds. And Control S, we need to refresh. As you see, it changes. Okay, as you see, it doesn't have any zero beside this number. We need to add it first because it will be a bug for our clock. If the minutes are lower than 10, we need to have a minute equal to 0 plus the minutes. Control S, refresh, and like this. We need this if statement for the hour and the seconds. Hour and the seconds. Hour. Control D for selecting. Seconds. Control S. Seeing what happened to this second. By this code, I think our video will be finished. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.